Okay. Komagadiko. What's happening? What's happening? What's good? What's good? It's happening one more time. Rhinover's in the building. DJ Chencha Pindira. Chino Pisa Icho. Yes, sir. It's happening right here, guys. I go by the name of Rhinover's the DJ. All the way from Plug and Play Music in Pretoria, South Africa. It's called the Sunday Vibes. With some old school tunes. Some Sungura tunes. For Matarangu. Even Anam Chembere. I got you guys. Like I said, it's Sunday Vibes with some old school tunes. So starting with some greatest hits. Hoka cho cho. If you love some old school, you are with me, hey. And like I said, guys, I go by the name of Rhinover's the DJ. I'm from Plug and Play Music. That's how I do it. Yes, sir. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, sir. Bendera Kings. Giving you some old school hits. I can't go to find Rachumbetu. Onochiziva ichi. You know this guy, he was so good. And his music has some deep meaning, eh? Just like Shakata music. Yes, sir. Old school is still the best. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Ndezve madhara izvi. Classic hits. A pure message. And you know what? This music, with the message that is actually in this music, it's actually still making sense until this day. I cannot just receive it. Yes, sir. Like I said, I have some old school tunes. Yes, sir. Come on. The reggae hit album, you know it. Mudiwa. What you say? A big shout out to Madarangu Yese, Anoterera Sungura, especially to my old school hits. Like I said, guys, before, this deep meaning music, it's actually making sense in today's life. It is actually making sense. Ndichava chingita Anzi Joni, a true message never expire. Let me repeat it again. A true message never expire. Chibadura John Uyo, what you say? Uri wizako Pure music.
Kufira musiwa ndakadana niwe.
Ndakakudza kuti
Ine vana vangu. Iwe ukati choo usangochema. Vana vako hao ndichatengeta. Iwe ukati choo usangochema. Vana vako hao.
Anamkoma Joe. What's happening over there? Big shout out to Madarango ese. Aripa Joza. Silverton. Eastland. Neo Mafias. Hayiri. That was John Shibadura. Chakai Paichi. Whether you're listening or in Mota, on a road trip, this message truly hits hard, deep inside. Yeah. Pa para. So today what I'm gonna do, my hits zvese zvakudhara. Yeah. I'm actually the first DJ to do a Sungura live streaming, especially the old school. I'm so special. Dedication, Madarango. Vana vangu, ndia, ayiri ndia. Like I said, a true message never expires. And the chokwadi achisakare. Enjoy way. Papara. What you say? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Are you on a road trip? Or about dinner? Where you at?
Oh, yeah.
I hear it.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Ngatira mane. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Andinga na sewa nangu. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nekuda bayudo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ngatira mane. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Andinga na sewa nangu.
yes, sir. Come on, come on, come on. Tarararata. Dinesh Masungura. Jakaipa. What you say? Papara. Titiri. Let me just greet everyone. Harare, what's happening? Mashingo, Madiapo, Ablawayo, Skip on Buffet. Quinjan Lapo. Ta. Pararara. tati chini wakaririkira Zora Music Vana Viva Maitiru Abu I don't think my lyrics are Maziva, but I love the song, eh? I don't want a 2000 on this one. Unoda Simbari Sagunata Jose. Come on. Everybody, yes sir. Vano. Uga. Bago. Uga. Andrew Nagiro boys. Mashoka noti. Hapana chicken. Sing with me if you know the song. Pawari Papo. Pararara. Big shout out to my uncle in Joburg South, Edias Choda. Big shout out to you, my guy. I know he does song yo. In fact, I don't Nakiro na Shagata. Ticketing. What I like about Jakata, guys, he was very versatile. Angagasiana Nemangoano, Nemangoma artist. Actually, he's a legend. Big shout out to Serik now, Nagupa Jakata Mota Makagona. Papa. Boys. Yes, sir. Come on. Do you still remember the old days? The good old days. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe hapo. Uchitwa kwira ako akura gurerwa. Makananga kumusha muchivarari tichokwirira pambara hapo. You still remember? Yes sir. Chavanogona I guess I'm too fast, eh? Pani This is actually deep Shona, hey. That's why I don't want number 2000 here. Hapa ndugu Madara shit hapa. This mixtape I actually made it for Madara. Madara zangu wakati berika buyo yabo yakauma vakakuridzira tsamwa unochiona. What you say? Come on. Buyo yabo yakauma. One more time. Vakakuridzira tsamwa unochiona. Agona kuvafadza ndingamuche. Nyangwe ndiri murume ndingatotyora muzura. Agona kuvafadza ndingamuche. Nyangwe ndiri murume ndingatotyora muzura. Ndambira idisina maka vakomana ye. Kunyararira zvose vodzana madiro. Kukanda kunyunyuta zvanzipisa imuromo. Kunyararira zvose vodzana madiro. Kukanda kunyunyuta zvanzipisa imuromo. Come on. Mano. Like I said, umbori paiko. Are you on a road trip? Uri mota ere. Cannot padeni. Please go check out Ryan Ovens the DJ on all social media platforms. Those wando ita ini. Ndakaipa. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Yeah. Chirgunaka ichi makomana vezora parara ta. One more time. Yes sir. Come on. Aha. Chika. Like I said, a true message never expires. Chokwadi hajisakare. Come on. Listen. Nishaiva. Deep meaning, eh? Munyika ya baba. Munyika ya mdara. This is deep Shona, hey. Like what I'm trying to say, this is deep Shona, hey. Big shout out to Jakarta, hey. What you say? Yekahoma vakakuridzira tsamwa. The song is Asakunatsa by Leonard Jakarta. Achimira wanzo zandoda kuita manja hapa. I'm a DJ. DJ are versatile. Very versatile. Listen. Are you ready? My Zimbabwean family. Those one do it nini. Ryan Ovens the DJ. All the way from Pretoria, Silverton. I plug and play music, entertainment. That's how I do it. Madarangu, Murigupiko. Yes, sir. Skipani bafethu kobulawayo Lupane Luveve Cholocho. What you say?
Ndibe utawangu
Nditambe nawo kani.
ndibe kumorangu nazishapera
Come on.
ndibe utawangu nditambe nawo kani ndibe kumorangu nazishapera.
This is actually my favorite song, eh?
Mzimu wa baba wangu irene ni nazi
Namoya.
nazi ndiwe shikiro. Mzimu wa sekuru wangu
Iwe neni nazi.
namoya uya chariza iyo wari kumepeni ndimunoona zalizingaone chariza iyo wari kumepakani
Greatest hit of all time, eh?
zalizingaone
From Masha Munumwe.
ndivumabirei
Ndivumba mireyo.
opamba saisha kaiba paninurara ndivumba
One of my favorite song, eh?
paninopamba saisha kaiba nyora zamoya evavengi vangu.
Imagine, I wanna ask something. Imagine Diamond vakatanga kurekoda, they recorded this time. Listen to the good quality of this music and imagine Diamond vari kurekoda technology yavakomazwana. Imagine this, the quality of the music yavaizo producer. Respect to these guys, eh? Respect. What you say? Ndipe kuno nasi zva. Ndipe kuno. Big shout out to all the madarangu ese arikunzwa chimix ichi ndechenyi ichi aundi madarangu ari paEastland apo paPretoria apo Roslyn Wagwan Joe Becker Silverton Mamelody Makaipa Maneo Mafias ndizingakanganwe. Music with a meaning. Takano chipinda iwe kondinda kachibata zvepano paPitori andindi nacho ndakachidzvinya kuti dzvi. kana ndichindinda kachibata ndenjireva so. What you say? Come on. Dini nacho. What you say? Madarangu. Come on. Are you feeling the beat? Yes, sir. Big shout out to everyone who's listening right now, guys. Like I said before, imagine if he could record this song with the current technology right now. Imagine. Doma namba anamchembere wedaya avaijambaya
Ndibe utawangu ndibe nawo
ndipe
kumurangu
nazi
zapera. Ndibe utawangu nditambe nawo kani ndibe kumurangu nazi zapera. Nazi ndiwe shikiro mzimu wa baba wangu irene ni nazi ndamo ya uya. Nazi ndiwe shikiro mzimu wa sekuru wangu irene ni nazi ndamo ya uya. Chariza iyo wari kumepeni
like I said, guys, this is actually my favorite song, Ndofunga newewo, achi favorite chako. But the song that I'm gonna play next year is one of the greatest hits. Ndakubaya. Chaipo chaipo. Ndati nini? Ndrukuda madara chete. What you say? The undisputed. Ndati nini? The undisputed Zimi Music God. He is the God, the greatest of all time. Bampapara. Kwese kwa waenda iwe chori raichi. What you say? Sing with me. What you say? One more time. I go by the name of Ryan Overs, the DJ. Yes, sir. What you say? Chimbo phone na shamwali yako right now, Tora phone yako, I call your friend. Yes, sir. I know. The undefeated Sungura King, Leonard Dembo. Let me tell you something, guys. Leonard Dembo, that was a big loss to the country, hey. He died so early, age 37. That was a big loss to the country, hey. Irreplaceable talent. Trust me. Come on. Yes, yes.
Thank you.
sir. What you say? Come on. Oh. Yes, yes, sir. Come on, come on, come on. Hanzi kanozinga nakirwe. Please take out your stress. I'm actually here to take out your stress, eh? Can on stress. Please listen to Ryan Overs, the DJ, my mixtape AKS. You know the appear stress yo. Come on. Like I said, guys, I go by the name of Ryan Overs, the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton, yeah. What you say? Trust me, this music never gets old. Ndati music haifika pera hii. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Basa ndatifonera friend yako right now umbo muti wadi skip on mfetu anoonekwa team rango my hustlers, what's happening over there? So Pasi makes up a century more. Is it century more? I don't know, but doesn't it make it up? A big shout out to Tino. Come on, my iPhone. Big shout out to you, my guy. A century more, Babu. I go by the name of Ryan Overs, the DJ. Please keep on listening to my mixtapes, eh? Anonaka. Ndichikupa ijese za munoda. Everything. Vando. Siana. Ndatiimba neniwe. Please, sing with me. Come on. Yeah. Aha. Yeah. Mawindangu Madiko hapa New Town hapo. Bossman, a powerhouse. What's happening over there? So Anzuroza Mokutamba bado zilikuramba. Come on, 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 come on. Yeah. Inzoga pite, inzo pite. Guys, this is how I do it, guys. I go by the name of Ryan Overs, the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton. Those and those guys. Please go check out all my mixtapes. Anonaka. On all platforms, especially by YouTube. Please check out my mixtapes. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Yes.